Some of new features in main Photoshop 2023 which does not need internet. One-click delete and fill. With this release of Photoshop 24.0, you can easily remove objects from your images with the one-click delete and fill selection feature and see Photoshop do its magic by seamlessly blending the background as if the object were never there. Simply use the Object Selection tool to make your selection and use the following keyboard shortcut to remove it. For one-click delete and fill after selection, use the following shortcut keys. For Mac OS, Shift plus Delete. For Windows, Shift plus Backspace. The another short way to do this work. Right-click on the object, then choose Delete and Fill selection. This will always work. Object Selection tool now detects the sky. This is the huge update. Preferences search. This makes so much sense. It's not often that we need to go into preferences. Yet, when we do, we understandably feel lost within the multitude of menus and options. But now, we have a search bar. Even for small, regular tasks, like changing the history cache, this makes our lives easier and our workflows quicker. You have the option of quick search or detailed search. Photoshop now has a new transformation warp that will help with mapping artwork or images onto cylindrical items in an image. Select the object with Ctrl+T and right-click and select warp and choose cylinder. If we need more fine-tune, manually adjust with custom points. In Camera Raw filter automatically select people, objects, and background. Select people, select objects, and select background masking features in the masking panel. Help you to achieve precise editing goals. quickly edit specific parts of the body, including skin, teeth, eyes, etc., and also make adjustments to one or more objects in a photo. You can select specific parts of the body like hair, skin, teeth, etc., and enhance only the selected parts. In Camera Raw filter we can easily remove blemishes using the Content-Aware Remove tool in the Healing panel lets you remove unwanted spots and objects in a photo. Thanks for watching out my channel. Please subscribe my channel because it makes me feel good and YouTube might send you notifications when I make new videos. Thank you.